Hello everyone, today I will be presenting a public service advertisement about COVID. So, background. The COVID-19 pandemic is a new phenomenon that has occurred in almost all countries in the world, one of which is affected by this pandemic is Indonesia. COVID-19 is a flu-like disease that can be transmitted quickly and caused by a type of coronavirus whose existence is new just discovered, and the first time the outbreak began in the city of Wuhan, China in December 2019. The spread of the virus occurs the spread of this virus occurs very quickly to various countries. Indonesia has been listed as the 22nd country in Asia which has number of positive cases. Most of the COVID-19 in the world positive cases COVID-19 in Indonesia of April 2020 to reach 1011 positive people and 792 people died. Over time, patients are positive, and that will continue increasing rapidly every day. The most effective positive cases COVID-19 those who are of productive age and have a historic chronic disease such as heart attack, diabetes, and others. According to the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia, the patients that of a positive case COVID-19 are those who vulnerable at the age of 30, 50, 19 years. In terms of parameters, positive cases COVID-19 include 0.6% occurring in children under 5, 15% occurring in adolescents 15-29 years, 54% occurring at the age of 30 and 59 years, 60% occurring at the age of 60 and 70 years, and 1% elderly. So this is the data. Purpose: public service advertising is a strategic communication tool with the aim of creating impact, namely providing useful information. Persuade the public to take an action. To achieve the effectiveness of advertising requires a creative concept. Creative concept on advertisement will pay attention to the audience. Advertising is communication method that is indirect and complex. So next, for the message, to raise public awareness of a number of problems that they must face, namely conditions that can threaten harmony, healthy, and public life. So next, for the target audience, this public service advertisement is intended for all sectors of society, especially children and parents. So the storyline, this public service ad entitled "Prevent Before It's Too Late" is 1 to 2 minutes long. This public service advertisement contains information on how to prevent the transmission of COVID within the community and surrounding area. So the production activities carried out in the production process are 1. Taking picture shooting, 2. Doing voice recording, dubbing, and 3. Editing. So for the budget, tools and material: laptop 1 unit, computer 1 unit, mobile camera 1 unit, tripod 1 unit, printer 1 unit, heavy S paper 1 ream, DVD 1 unit, and ITKS 1 set. So for the media, we will present for the advertising public. Twitter social media is one proof of technology progress as a means of communication through online social media. Twitter can also use a medium for discussion and sharing information via tweets, contains a variety of topics ranging from entertainment, technology, political issue to disaster, which excel in social life. So, this is my presentation. Thank you.